Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. My name is Gina Jones and this channel is all about fashion. In today's tutorial, you're going to be learning how to draft a 180-degree flare. So for starters, we know that we have a full circle, right? So like this flare concept is off of a circle. So for a circle, we can divide it into 4 quadrants, and each quadrant would be 90 degrees. Okay, so we have the 90-degree flare. If you've not seen that tutorial, you can check it out here. So we have 90 degree, 180, 360. Now to cut a 180-degree flare, that means we are trying to get the fullness of 2 quadrants, right? So 90 plus 90, 180. So that is what we are going to be cutting today. Note that you can cut directly on your fabric as long as you follow the instructions properly. So the first thing you would go ahead to do is to fold your pattern paper or your fabric into 2, just like I have done. Okay, so you're going to fold into 2. The formula we'll be using for this tutorial is R, which is radius, is equal to C over pi, C which is circumference of your waist. Now, for you to be able to get what you fold your fabric or your pattern paper with, so you don't waste fabric or pattern paper, we're going to use our formula, which is R equals to C over pi. So your waist over 3.14, whatever you get, you now add your flare length. For me, my waist is 24.5 divided by 3.14 is 7.8, approximately 8 inches. The length of my flare is 8 inches, meaning that I'm going to fold into 2 with 16 inches. 8 plus 8, 16 inches. So that is how you know how much to fold in with, so you don't waste your fabric. So now from my 90-degree angle, I'm going to pivot my tape and then take my measurement, which is 7.8 inches, approximately 8 inches, round like this to form my radius. Okay, so after I've done that, I can now go from my radius line to mark my flare length, which is 8 inches. Just like that, you have cut your 180-degree flare. So if you follow this method, you will have an extra allowance of 2.5 inches, which means you would have 2.5 inches to either feed into your peplum top or for your zipper allowance. So that's just basically it. So remember the circle we cut from the beginning. When you cut out the radius and you have this cone, you will see that it matches with the 180-degree that I showed you in the beginning. So that's the 2 quadrants I wanted to cut out. So that's one way to know that you have cut out a 180-degree flare. I went ahead to bring out the 90-degree flare I cut out from the previous tutorial, and I'm just showing you how it matches up with the radius that was cut out. Unlike when you cut a 360-degree, you will have a full radius cut out, like a full circle. There will be more tutorials on how to cut the other degrees of flare, so do want to subscribe if you haven't, and turn on post notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. So for this particular flare, we had an extra allowance of 2.5 inches. So that is all for this tutorial, and I will be showing you what it looks like on the mannequin. So this is what the flare looks like on the mannequin. Mind you, I did not use this mannequin's waist to draft the flare. I used my sister's waist. If you have any questions, drop them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.